Captain, what? Oh, the hell you say? Well, I'd been married a long time ago, had not been forgotten. Now, Joe, where did he come from? Where did he go? Where did he come from? Cotton Eye Joe. I got a ball beam hammer and a 2x4.